Hello world, welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 31, or you may call it as lesson number 31. And in this particular project, we are going to do some interesting stuff again, including the GUI Tickinter module, and build a zodiac sign detector, or instead of detector I should use reflector or something like that. So basically in this project, what's going to happen is you just have to put your date of birth, and it's going to throw what is your star sign, what is your zodiac sign. It's a kind of, if you believe in numerology and stuff like that, it's a pretty interesting app. Though I have included a very basic GUI into this, you can make it more interactive by adding some gaming apps into this, and put some star signs around all the 12 months and do a lot of things. All you need is just an imagination, guys. All right, let me run this program and let's see some magic happening around here. All right, let me run this. You can see a small little box popping up. Let me make this box a little bigger. In this GUI, guys, you can change the color, change the format. All those things is possible within this code, because we are using Tickinter module, so it's pretty easy to play around. So let me enter the date of birth, say 19, and month, say 10. Okay, click on Get Zodiac Sign. Your zodiac sign is Libra. There you go. Now let's say 3, and month is March or April, say 4. Aries, there you go. Let me enter the date of birth again. Let's say 6. Now let's say 25, and say 7th month. You are a Leo. That's it, guys. So you can just play around with this code and come up with your own imagination and start adding some functionality to this. And do share it in the social media. And if you have any questions, obviously you are feel free to reach me out. I'll be happy to schedule a one-on-one and walk you through this code from the scratch, from the basic. See you soon. Goodbye, guys.